Now, you remember my earlier clip called the unnoisy, noisy miner? Well, this is them doing what they do best. I'm not quite sure what they're doing, apart from making a lot of noise, and it seems just they gather in groups, freak out, they'll pick on one bird or another, and act horrible towards each other. Here they go. You can hear them still up there carrying on. When I put my budgies outside, if I hear this noise, you know, look at this bloke, it's just, I think it's me that they're upset about. It's obviously a territorial thing, but yeah, if I hear this sound outside and I'm at home, 9 times out of 10 I'll come out and they'll be all over the budgie cage, trying to kill the birds, trying to kill the budgies inside just because they're there. Yeah, they're a real bastard, these guys. Noisy, nasty. They're a native as well, so it's not like you can do much about it, like the introduced Indian miner, which you're allowed to kill. These guys you're not. Not that I could live with myself if I'd killed one anyway, but you know, they're a real bugger. I tell you what, if they did manage to spear one of my little budgies, oh, I think I'd be forgiven for blowing one's brains out. Just one, perhaps. Anyway, that's noisy miners being noisy.